the, the oh yeah. Guys, it's sunset. Okay. Oh, even so water. What do you know about water? So I'm just Cooper, or Cooper. What do you mean about that name? That's one. What do you mean about one? I don't know that. Yeah. No, I don't know how are you just saying that. Oh my god! I just let's try the baby. Let's hold the baby. So the baby will go. I was not in the pool. I'm just gonna hurry it. Um, oh, a cooler. I'm a big pool. Hurry. Before the time runs out. Oh, let's get the baby. Okay.